Here's a detailed look at some trekking places in and around Hamirpur, Himachal Pradesh. 1. Jhaniari Devi Temple Trek Location, near Hamirpur town. Details: this trek takes you through lush forests and small villages to the Jhaniari Devi Temple, situated on a hilltop. The temple is dedicated to Goddess Durga and offers panoramic views of the surrounding valleys. Duration: 1 to 2 hours, one way. Difficulty: easy to moderate, suitable for beginners. 2. Gauri Shankar Temple Trek Location, near Sujanpur Tira. Details: a short trek leading to the ancient Gauri Shankar Temple, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The path is surrounded by natural beauty, and the temple itself is known for its intricate architecture and serene atmosphere. Duration: 1 to 1.5 hours, one way. Difficulty: easy, ideal for a short spiritual trek. 3. Narmadeshwar Temple Trek Location, Sujanpur Tira. Details: this trek leads to the historic Narmadeshwar Temple, built by Maharani Prasanni Devi in the 18th century. The temple is adorned with beautiful wall paintings and offers scenic views of the Beas River. Duration: 1 hour, one way. Difficulty: easy, suitable for all age groups. 4. Tauni Devi Temple Trek Location, near Hamirpur town. Details: the trek to Tauni Devi Temple is moderately challenging, taking you through dense forests and steep paths. The temple is dedicated to Goddess Tauni and is a popular pilgrimage site. Duration: 2 to 3 hours, one way. Difficulty: moderate, requires good physical fitness. 5. Baba Balaknath Temple Trek, Diot Siddh Location, Diot Siddh, near Hamirpur. Details: this trek is a pilgrimage route to the famous Baba Balaknath Temple. The trek offers a spiritual experience along with breathtaking views of the Shivalik hills. The temple is a significant religious site for devotees from all over North India. Duration: 2 to 3 hours, one way. Difficulty: moderate, with some steep sections. 6. Nadon Fort Trek Location, Nadon, near Hamirpur. Details: the trek to Nadon Fort provides a blend of history and nature. The fort, located on a hilltop, offers panoramic views of the Beas River and the surrounding countryside. It's an easy trek, suitable for history enthusiasts and nature lovers. Duration: 1 to 1.5 hours, one way. Difficulty: easy, perfect for a leisurely hike. 7. Sujanpur Tira Trek Location, Sujanpur Tira, 25 kilometers from Hamirpur. Details: this trek leads to the historical town of Sujanpur Tira, known for its fort, temples, and scenic landscapes. The fort offers a glimpse into the region's history and provides stunning views of the surrounding area. Duration: 2 to 3 hours, one way. Difficulty: moderate, suitable for those looking for a mix of adventure and history. Additional tips for trekking in Hamirpur: best time to visit, October to March, when the weather is cool and pleasant. Preparation: wear comfortable trekking shoes, carry water, snacks, and a first aid kit. It's advisable to trek with a local guide for a better experience and safety. Cultural respect: many of these treks lead to religious sites, so dress modestly and respect local customs and traditions. These trekking routes offer a combination of natural beauty, spiritual experiences, and historical insights, making Hamirpur your great destination for trekking enthusiasts.